Amen? Kung sinabi ng mga Israelites na, naku, pang 7 araw na natin, iikot na naman tayo sa Jericho Wall, kayo na lang muna, sa susunod na araw na lang ako. Kung pang 7 araw na yun, di na-miss nila. Bakit ka susuko? Alam nyo, don't stop, don't give up, kasi baka nasa day 6 ka na. Ngayon ka pa ba susuko? What if this day is your day? What if this day, God is going to answer your prayer? What if this year, mabubuntis ka na? What if this year, mapopromote ka na? What if this year, tatawagin ka na ng Panginoon? What if today is your day? This time is different. This is not your usual service. Today is not just another Sunday. I believe that this is not just another preaching. Ano, may mga times ako na, okay, another day, another adventure, Lord, mangusap ka po sa akin. And then in the middle of the preparation, whoa, this is life-changing, Lord. Akala ko this is just another preaching. Ako mismo binago ng Panginoon. So don't ever underestimate what God can do. Nasasabihin mo, this is just another preaching. This is just another moment ng ating Panginoon. Ilang tao ang lumagpas-lagpas sa Kanya? That this is just another donor, another people, another group of people